Good afternoon, Sharon. This is John. I've got your email. I'm going to send this clip out and send you some details. Okay, so I'm going to the site. I just did one little look. I went into the global editor and I did a search for 852K in the global editor. I use it sometime to get numbers. And here's 795 records with ref as a prefix, and 795 records, 1,621 holdings. Now let's run the shelf list, which is quite a good report for your report. The shelf list and ranges is here, and it'll run its run. So you have a total of 2,310 records, 3,545 holdings. So now I'm going to try something here. I'm going to put in ref 000.000 to ref 999.999. And I'm going to use the reference location, create report. And now this one has 794, which might mean that there's one missing. I'm not sure. And 1422 holdings. Let me go back to my email. So, okay, there is a slight difference here, but that could be the way I ran this report. That could just it might just be that. So I'm just going to not do anything with the shelving location and rerun it, see what it is. Because there could be some records, 794, 1422. All right. Now, there are references that aren't included here, and let me show you that. Let's just run the report all over again. So I know this is probably a little confusing, but you can have a look on your own. And here we go. Let's just run the shelf list all again. Here we are back to the 2310. All right. And now I'm just going to put in ref, but you'll see that you have some reference here with DUT, all right? And also, here's the shelf list. Now, you're probably not seeing it great on the screen, but these first few in the shelf list report, which I'll send, there's 1, 2, 3, there's 8 records with DUT, and then the reference in the Dewey area start here. By the way, here's a fiction. So this must be oversized here. Okay, the ref starts at 2125. The first ref was at 2125. The last one is at 3546. So that's 1,421 on the shelf list report, which is similar to what I saw earlier. Okay. Well, 1421 plus these, which would be about 1430, 1429. And that's holdings, okay, because this, for example, is one record, and it's got these holdings, okay. All right, so let me look at the acquisitions report to see what you have. So let's go to Reports and Tools, Item Acquisitions. In the acquisition, Sharon, I ran it from way back, like way back from 2011, just to make sure I've captured everything. And I'm going to save this as a CSV and send it out as well. Down from the acquisitions report, I just did a local call number search for ref 795 records. All right. Now I am going to just do another search. I'm just going to do anywhere and an asterisk using the location reference. Let's see what we have here. 795 there as well. Okay, so I'm pretty sure that 795, by the way, is bib records, not copies or holdings. All right, now let's have a look under Admin, Reports, and Tools. Sorry, this is getting to be a long report. Let's go to your location authority and see what that shows. All right, so reference is showing 1,430 holdings, okay, for the reference collection. The general is showing 1872, and new is 214. So I think the way to do this is to look at all of this, and I think the shelf list, which is also going to be sent, you might have to look at it in different ways because of the slight differences in call numbers with ref, the Dewey versus a few that aren't, etc. Let me see your email once more. Okay, the new collection, well, we're looking at that now. The new has 214. All right, so the reference we see is 1430 records, holdings. The general is 1872. The new is 214. So I think those are pretty good. Okay, so I'll send this off, and I'll be, standing by. Glad to help.